Good day everyone. I'm Michael. And I'm using a text-to-speech program to have a more clear speech and audio. The switch is a selection statement, and it will execute a single case statement from the list of multiple case statements based on the pattern matching with the defined expression. Switch case is also another condition construct in C# programming that evaluates the condition as if-else, but the only difference is that it makes the program simpler and easier. This is the syntax and the flowchart of a switch statement. The switch statement starts with the switch keyword that contains a match expression, or a variable in the bracket switch. The result of this match expression, or a variable, will be tested against conditions specified as cases, inside the curly braces. A case must be specified with the unique constant value, and ends with the colon. Each case includes one or more statements to be executed. The case will be executed if a constant value and the value of a match expression/variable are equal. The switch statement can also contain an optional default label. The default label will be executed if no cases are executed. The break, return, or goto keyword is used to exit the program control from a switch case. In this example, the switch statement includes a variable x whose value will match the value of each case value. This example contains three cases with constant values 5, 10, and 15. It also contains the default label, which will be executed if none of the values of the case matches with the switch variable or expression. Each case starts after a colon and includes one statement to be executed. In this example, the value of x matches with the second case, so the output would be value of x is 10. The switch statement can include any non-null expression that returns a value of type char, string, bool, int, or enumeration. The switch statement can also include an expression whose result will be tested against each case at runtime. If we run the program, it will print the 125 as odd value, because x modulo 2 is equal to 1, which matches this case. You can also combine multiple cases to execute the same statements. Take a look at this example. The case 4 has no statement to be executed, instead, it is immediately followed by case 5. This means that if the case 4 matches the expression or variable from the switch, then it will execute the statement from case 5. So if we run this code, it will print the x equals 4 or x equals 5. Since the value of x equals 4. Note: each case must exit the case explicitly by using break, return, goto statement, or some other way, making sure the program control exits a case and cannot fall through to the default case. The switch cases without break, return, or goto statement, or with the same constant values would give a compile time error. Like if statement or ternary operator, switch case can also be nested. Here is an example of nested a which, where this switch is nested to this case. The output of this program will be 5 and 4. Here are some points to remember about the switch case. 1. The switch statement is an alternative to the if-else statement. 2. The switch statement tests a match expression or variable against a set of constants specified as cases. 3. The switch case must include break, return, goto keywords to exit a case. 4. The switch can include one optional default label, which will be executed when no case is executed. 5. C# compiler will give errors on missing colon, constant value with cases, exit from a case. 6. C# 7.0 onward, switch cases can include non-unique values. In this case, the first matching case will be executed. For our self-check, which of the following statements is true? A. The switch statement tests the variable against a set of constants. B. The statement contains multiple labels. The default case executes when no case satisfies the expression. C. Each case must include a break or goto keyword. And D. The switch statement can include cases with string values. You can comment your answer below. That's all for this video lesson. If you have questions, suggestions, something to add, or you think something is missing or incorrect to the lesson, please let me know. Again, this is Michael, thank you and see you at my next video lesson. Keep safe everyone.